Okay, Jason, this is Dave in Wyoming. We're recording. What is your 20 now?
Hey, Dave in Wyoming. You got the Stogie 300 here. I'm at the 109 northbound on 476 on the Pennsylvania Turnpike, making my way up there to the exit 115, the Pittston DuPont exit.
Good deal. You're loud and proud. You're going from a 6 swinging to just about an 8 on your audio. Signal's very clean.
Copy on that. Yeah, that's good. This little Connex 4300-100 custom job. Fine-tuned by hard drive 163 around the Rio Grande, is making a good trip. That's a good shot.
Oh yeah, well, we're both using fine-tuned CB Shop radios, so we should be getting out good. Yeah, we're running stock here, Lincoln 2, RF power up, no box on, nothing, and just got the SWR meter in line just to check the new 6-foot LMR 400 jumpers, that's all.
Copy on that. Well, you're giving me a solid 9 pounds here on the turnpike, sounding real choice. Loud, proud, crystal clear. Sound real good, just like we're talking in person.
Yeah, we got about a solid 3 of QRN today, and that's okay. That's actually less than I usually get. I usually get a solid 5 down here.
Copy on that. Well, that's a good improvement then.
Yeah, in about a couple hours we'll have the 400 right up to the antenna. Then we're going to go for a good test. We're going to do backer radio right to antenna. Once we check the SWRs, we shouldn't need to have anything else in line for a long time.
Yeah, copy on that. Yeah, the less things in line, the less problems you have. Once you're all set up, that's the way to go then. Get all that extra hoopla out of the way there and just run it straight to the antenna.
Yeah, I just hooked them up now in test because a ham rig I will need to run the tuner for the different 10 meters, and I also will need to run the power box for the ham rig up there to take a lot of skips. So what I did is, like I said, I made those LMR 400 jumpers. SWR actually came down, which is nice, and that should help me on the ham rig. And then when I'm just running this, I'll go right to the back of the radio to the antenna for the 40 channels.
Yeah, copy on that. Well, you can see the big difference just a piece of coax can make in your antenna system.
Oh yeah, better in, better out, better transmit in, better transmit out. You know, it's all about a tuned system, just like anything else.
That's right. Everything's all in tune. Proper antenna setup, proper radio tune. Ain't nothing gonna beat it.
All right, Jason, I'm going to stop recording now. I'll get that uploaded.